Okay, so I've used a couple of competitors' films before, and previously when you are doing, for instance, a wing mirror and you have two pieces of film that need to join together and you have a seam here where the two pieces meet, you alcohol in one corner and I have to manipulate the film, and sometimes you need to relift the film. When I've done this on previous films, when you lift it, you have silvering, alcohol marks, some dry patches. Whereas with ProFilm reGen, you don't get that. I can lift this particular piece of film 2 or 3 times, manipulate it to where I want it to, so this seam here matches up, and I don't get any silvering, any colour marks. It doesn't affect the film or the adhesive, so it's definitely an advantage of the ProFilm reGen.